10 hole. Oh, beautiful straight left.
There we go.
There it is. It goes to town.
Nice left hand. Really follows up with the combination. And now.
Isa sa may turing na future ng Philippine boxing, itong tubong Davao na naninirahan na sa baluarte ni Manny Pacquiao sa General Santos City. Ito ay ang WBA Interim World Light Flyweight Champion na si Randy Pitalcurin na may 19 wins, 1 loss at 14 knockouts sa kanyang kartada at binansagang Razor dahil sa lakas at tulis ng kanyang mga suntok na para ding si Manny Pacquiao. Matapos nakakuha ng 19 na panalo dito sa Pilipinas, itong si Pitalcurin mga tol at naging Pan-Asia Boxing Association Light Flyweight Champion, naisip ng kanyang kampo na sapat na ito upang ilaban sa labas ng bansa. Lumipad ang kampo ni Pitalcurin sa Australia upang harapin itong knockout artist ng Thailand na si Urpat Nyamprim na may 35 wins, 2 losses na may 27 knockouts sa kanyang kartada at bumiktima na rin ng maraming Pinoy. Nakataya dito sa kanilang laban ang Asian Boxing Association Light Flyweight title. Halika mga tol, ating panoorin kung paano ito pinabagsak ni Pitalcurin at pagkatapos ay humingi pa ito ng rematch dahil nakachamba lang daw ang ating Pinoy. Mabagal ang panimula ng round 1 mga tol kung saan si Pitalcurin ang naka-white trunks at orange trunks naman ang suot ng Thai boxer.
Down in Port Melbourne with Mick Hargraves, Adam Wilcox, Sammy Brizzy in the corner there.
Very fit.
Curin.
Yeah, both gentlemen extremely fit. Randy, a big punch. The orthodox Randy already teeing off. Some beautiful shots. Shots on Randy. Been sparring with Omari Kimweri, who's lining up at the Melbourne Pavilion for a WBC title shot.
In one fight, so
Extremely fit, not an ounce of fat on him. Against a cagey up-and-comer.
been in Melbourne for a month here, so he must be acclimatised to the conditions. Opponent for Pitalcurin.
Has been tagged by Randy when he puts on the pressure with threes. Oh, good counter by both gents then. Both wore them well. Oh, that's a big left hand.
Maganda ang palitan ng suntok dito sa huling bahagi ng round 1 mga tol kung saan palaban talaga itong dalawang boxers.
Was wobbled, beautiful uppercut there by Randy.
Really intently focused on this fight. This is which is something not seen before at this venue.
Clubbing left, or right hook there by Randy, sorry.
Sa round 2 mga tol, mga solidong suntok ang pinapatama ng Pinoy, ngunit matibay din itong si Nyamprim.
Because a very fast pace we saw in round 1.
Yeah, good place. Oh, beautiful hook uppercut.
Brilliant Pitalcurin with the right hook as well. And he's looking to follow up against the ropes and he's attacking him.
Balanced Randy.
Punches in bunches here by Pitalcurin.
Yeah, this is a spectacle. It's a treat to be able to see the high caliber of class in these two.
But everyone is really enjoying this and it's quite a spectacle.
Yeah, full house down here at the Melbourne Town Hall. Oh, beautiful straight left.
Mula sa mabilis na kombinasyon ni Pitalcurin mga tol, bagsak ang Thai boxer ngunit tumayo pa ito at lumaban.
10 hole. Oh, beautiful straight left.
He's down for the count.
He's going to get up. He's a tough lad. He's going to get up. Is he rocking? He's going to get up.
Yeah, he's right.
Yes, he is. Tough. Tough as Steve Randy.
Really good shot. He's going for the kill
The
here.
opening here.
His promoter loves that.
Geez, he's beautifully balanced street.
He is.
See the way he just sort of works around, doesn't open himself, goes uppercuts, hooks. What a kid of punches.
Moves around the ring great as well.
Cheeky left hook there by Sam Ransack.
This is the height.
And he's hard to hit, he's always moving.
He feels very fluid, Pitalcurin. This is brilliant.
Cheeky left hook there by Sam Ransack, getting his range. He gets his range, he steps in, angles. And he's hard to hit, he's always...
He feels very fluid, Pitalcurin.
He's timing that uppercut.
The artist, and Peter's been saying that he's running about 15 kilometres every morning. So fitness is certainly no issue for Randy Pitalcurin.
Sa round 3 mga tol, gusto nang tapusin ni Pitalcurin ang laban, ngunit gumaganti pa rin ang Thai boxer.
So fitness is certainly no issue for Randy Pitalcurin. An excellent first 2 rounds of this fight. He got a knockdown. A few good shots of his own in both rounds. Let's see if he can really... He's got this orthodox Thai fighter worked out at this point of the fight.
Fighter worked out at this point of the fight. Just boxing away, letting those arms go. He's keeping Sam Rensek thinking the whole time, and then he lines him up, waits for that opening as he's done in the previous rounds. There it is.
And there we go.
There it is. It goes to town. He's down.
Mula sa umuulan na suntok ni Pital Corin, isang solidong body shot ang tumama, bagsak si Sinyam Prim. At dito na natapos ang laban.
There we go.
There it is. It goes to town.
Panalo ang Pinoy Razor mga tol via technical knockout sa round 3. Dahil hindi na kontento sa pagkatalo ang kampo ng Thai mga tol, nakachamba lang daw si Pital Corin kaya humingi sila ng rematch. Nakalipas lang ang 4 na buwan mga tol, bumalik ang kampo ni Pital Corin sa Australia upang harapin muli itong Sinyam Prim. Sa pagkakataong ito mga tol, naisip ng kampo ng Thai na makabawi sila sa Pinoy. Mas lalo pa palang malupit ang sapitin ng kanilang boxer. Sa round 1 mga tol, naging maingat na itong Thai na Sinyam Prim na naka-black trunks habang white trunks naman ang suot ni Pital Corin.
Of the light flyweight,
Corin, very young, very smart in the ring, and he's on the cusp of a world title shot. And he had a great fight last time with, and Sam fight and see in action.
early here with the right hand. Yeah, and Pital Corin, he's been tagged a couple of times early here with the right hand, so he doesn't want to sleep on this opponent this time.
Doesn't. Both fighters possessing great speed, and Pital Corin.
Sa distansya na lumalaban ang Thai boxer at hindi na nagipagsabayan. Nag-antay lang na magkamali si Kabayan.
They're just trying to find his range, working his way into this fight. He's a real exciting kid, this guy.
By Peter Manias occur as early as this year, our former champion. Because
JC Mullenkill, the two-handle. Like I said, he isn't the title.
Yeah, certainly. Wait, so the possibility of a world title shot this year is very likely for Pital Corin, so would love to put in an impressive performance here tonight.
Yeah, and I know that, Peter and JC Mullenkill, the two handles of Pital Corin, have done a masterful job, and, he's got it all to lose tonight, and not a great deal to gain other than another notch in his belt, another victory on his record, because, like I said, he is in that mandatory.
Umpisa nang naalog itong Thai boxer mga tol, nang tinamaan ng mga sulid na suntok ni Kabayan dito pa lang sa huling bahagi ng round 1.
He is an
ultra-tuned, I should say.
Certainly. And I've nearly tags him there with the left hand. Pital Corin gets Singh Manasak.
Sharp left hands. Yeah, nice little just kind of lunging and falling in with their range, and he doesn't
him up now, I think. Measurements right now with West Brom and the angle he's going to tackle Singh Manasak, knowing the distance that he's going to throw the shots from and the angles, and I think this is well poised for Pital Corin to put on another clinic tonight.
Yeah, I really like the way that Pital Corin just shuffles his feet in and works behind the jab to close the distance. You see a lot of fighters kind of lunging and falling in the range, and he doesn't do that.
A nice left hand by Singh Manasak there, really catching Pital Corin's attention.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, like I said earlier, we can't be sleeping on this Thai either. He's a tough guy.
Sa round 2 mga tol, naging agresibo na si Pital Corin at gusto nang tapusin ng maaga ang laban.
Explosive for the first round we saw there in the main event.
Yeah, there wasn't much filling out. I think that was round 4, continuing from the last battle.
Yeah, definitely. A nice left hand. And now, is that a knockdown?
Yeah, that was a very nice left hand to the sternum. Sanderson has missed it, but the Thai is in a spot of bother.
Mula sa malakidlat na kombinasyon ni Pital Corin, bagsak ang Thai boxer. Ngunit akala ng referee na outbalance lang ito. Ngunit ayaw itong tumayo, kaya umpisa ng binilangan.
Nice left hand, but Pital Corin follows up with the combination. And now,
very nice left hand to the sternum. Obviously, Chris Anderson has missed it, but the Thai is in a spot of bother.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
He's giving him a knockdown now.
8.
Yeah, I'm surprised that Chris.
Dito na siya binanata ni Pital Corin mga tol, kung saan hindi na nito alam kung paano depensahan ang mga suntok ng Pinoy.
Looks like it's the same thing's happening again, and now he's really teeing off of.
Yeah, Randy's ultra-tuning these left hands straight into him.
And stoppage looks imminent here. No offense provided. Here, no offense provided back from Singh Manasak, and it looks like a stoppage is going to occur any second now.
Mula sa mga solidong suntok na tumama, inawat na ng referee ang laban upang hindi na mapahamak pa ang Thai boxer. Nakuha ni Pital Corin mga tol ang technical knockout sa round 2 at hindi na naghamon pang muli ang kampo ng Thai. Tungkol naman sa performance ni Pital Corin mga tol, pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.